Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to unboxing the PR packages that has been sent to me. And first of all, this is not sponsored on any of this products. They are just sent for me to do a review for them, and I don't get any commission if I'm going to put the 10% off discount for the InStylish.com, so I don't get any commission if you guys going to use that code. So I'm just going to link everything down below. So without any further ado, let's go started. So first I'm going to show you guys the very first one, which is this one. This was sent by Influencer. I got this one because I do reviews on their website or their app, and once in a while I do get other stuff or products to review on their website. And this time it is a cup that keeps up. These are like Chinette or Chine. I don't know how to pronounce this one, but they are disposable cups, and I'm going to show you guys how I unbox it. These are available now in the store, and basically they are maybe Walmart, Target, and I saw these ones at the commissary store, and they are very affordable. They are, I think, less than $5 something, $3 something, and they have how many pieces in here? They have 18 pieces, and I'm going to show you guys how it is big. This is how big it is. It's 16 ounces, and from the bottom of it, it is really hard paper cup, and you can use this the whole day, and you don't need to get like a new one, and you can use this the whole day because I already used this one twice already, and it keeps my coffee hot like in a few hours, and it's easy to use. You can just like put some water in here and just put it in a microwave, or you can use this one whenever you have like a K-cup, and or you have like the regular brewing coffee. You just like pour it in and then ready to go. And then you have these lids that are easy to put it here. That, so it is really a great one. And the next one will be the Hum. This is the beauty starts from within. These are like beauty supplements or a vitamin supplements or nutrient supplements. I don't know how you call this, but they are a health supplements or tablets or capsules. They have any different variety. You can have like they have the collagen, they have a weight loss, they have for a sleeping one, they have a lot. And then they are actually available at the Sephora already, because I checked where they can sell them, and of course they have it in their website. And I think they have a monthly subscription on this to this stuff. So I'm going to open this ones first. And by the way, all of this stuff I'm going to this one I'm going to do a separate video review soon, and then the next one too I'm going to do a review, but I don't know how to open this thing. So here it is. They sent me 2 of this supplements. They are, one is OMG Omega the Great one right here, and the second one is the Here Comes the Sun. This is actually a vitamin D3, and they have, here are these bottles, and each of them they have 60 soft gels, and here how it looks like for you guys. And they sent me this too because, as far as you guys know, I am pregnant and I am limited to take any vitamins, and these 2 are the ones that they sent me that they said it is okay to take. And of course I asked my provider too if these 2 are okay to take with my prenatal vitamins, and she said yes. So I'm going to review this one soon. And lastly is this one. This is from instylish.com. They sent this to me. I believe they are beauty sponges. And this is how it looks like. This is how they look like. They are multifunctional makeup sponges. I'm going to do a review on this one, like a separate review of these sponges and those supplements, so stay tuned for that. And now I'm going to do a giveaway for you guys. These are the skincare products that you can use in the winter, especially in a dry season. So these are only available at the only US, and soon I'm going to do a international giveaway, but this time this is only available in the US. So I'm going to show you guys all of these products now, and it's going to be only 1 winner. And all of the stuff that you guys need to know about this giveaway, I'm going to link everything on the description box. And have a good day, and thanks for watching. Bye bye, until next time.